Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. This is the 8th video guys of me answering the 2023 November Mathematics Paper 2 examination, which was written in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It's a grade 10 question paper, and please note that already 7 videos are uploaded, and there will be the last video after this one, and they will make a grand total of 9 videos because we have 9 questions, which simply means that each question will have its own video. You can just click the link on the description below. It will direct you straight to the playlist with the full memorandum. You can download the question paper, answer the questions with me. If there are things you're not sure about, please do ask on the comment section. I will come and assist you. Okay. Question 8.1. In the diagram below, we are told that BD is parallel to EF. We are also told that AB is parallel to DE. And we are told that BE is equal to EC, and both of them are equal to 6 centimeters. And then we are told that the length of AD is 10 centimeters. The first question, we are supposed to show that FC is equal to 5 centimeters. How can we do that? Okay, we can if we focus on triangle ABC, the bigger triangle over there, let me use highlighters. If we focus on this big triangle over here, all right, together, we can see that we have a line which is parallel to one side of a triangle. This line is parallel to this one, all right, together, and that line divides one of the sides equally. This is equal to this. According to the midpoint theorem, we can therefore conclude that AD is also equal to DC. Are you together? So according to the midpoint theorem, length of DC is also equal to AD, which is 10 centimeters. This is true because of the midpoint theorem. Are we together? So I now know that the length of DC is 10 centimeters, right? Okay. Remember that I was not asked to find DC, but I was asked to show that FC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now if you focus on this triangle over here, we have this line which is parallel to this one. Are we together? So this line divides AB equally, like this. So according to the midpoint theorem, it simply means that DF and FC are also equal as well. But remember that we just calculated that DC is equal to 10 centimeters. So this simply means that DF is 5 centimeters, and then FC is also 5 centimeters. Are you together? You can simply say that FC is half of DC, which is just 5 centimeters. This statement is true because of midpoint theorem as well. All right, together. So now you've proven that FC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, and then now we are being asked to we are being told that if AB is 16 over 5 times FC, prove that ABC is 90 degrees. Okay, they're telling us that AB is equal to 16 over 5 multiplied by FC, right? But remember that FC is equal to 5 centimeters. So basically they're telling us that AB is equal to 16 over 5 times 5, which is just 16 centimeters. Are you together? So AC is 16 centimeters. The length of BC is 12 centimeters, and then that length over there is 20 centimeters. Are you together? So we can prove that this angle over here is 90 degrees. How so? If you can prove that the Pythagoras theorem is true, if you can show that AB squared plus BC squared will be equal to AC squared. If you can show that these two are equal, therefore we can conclude that we have a right angle triangle, because Pythagoras theorem is only true if and only if we have a right angle triangle. So AB will be just 16 squared, and then BC is 12 squared, né? So 16 squared plus 12 squared, that's 400. And then AC, remember that the length of AC is 20. So 20 squared also gives us 400. So we can therefore conclude that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Therefore, AC is the hypotenuse, and hence would be angle B, or rather angle ABC, is the one which is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because it is opposite the hypotenuse. Are we together? Okay. And then 8.2, we are told that in quadrilateral ABCD, AD is parallel to BC, and then we are told that these two angles are equal. We're supposed to prove that this shape is a parallelogram. The shape will be a parallelogram if and only if the opposite sides are equal. If the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Are you together? So if I can conclude that these two triangles are congruent, or rather if I can show that these two triangles are congruent, I can therefore conclude that I have a parallelogram, right? So, excuse me. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle B is equal to angle D. This was given to us. Are you together? And then AC is a common side. AC appears on both triangles. And then what else do we know? I know that angle C2 is equal to angle A2. Why? Because they are alternating angles, and they alternate because AD is parallel to BC. So I can therefore conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Its angle, side and angle. Okay. Since the two triangles are congruent, please note that the sides which subtend equal angles, those sides will be equal. For example, angle B, but that comes from $1,000,000. Okay, let's focus on angle C3 and A2. Ne? I don't want to focus on angle B and angle D, because both of them you can see that they come from line AC. Are you together? And AC value appears on both sides. So angle C3, angle C1, man. and angle C1 and angle A2. Angle C1 and angle A2. Okay, if we check on angle C1, angle C1 is subtended by ubani, comes from line AB. So I will write AB over here, and then angle A2 comes from line angle A2 comes from this line over here, comes from line UTC, ne? Remember that we said A2 and C1 are equal, so the line that subtends both A2 and C1 must be equal as well. So therefore AB is equal to DC. Alright, together. This is true because our triangles are congruent triangles. Alright, together. So now I've shown that this is equal to this. Alright, together. This angle, these two angles are equal, these two are equal. That means also the third ones have to be equal. Alright, together. So therefore angle A1 has to be equal to angle C2. Why? Because we have congruent triangles as well. So since angle A1 and C2 are equal, we can therefore conclude that AB is parallel to DC. Why? Because the alternating angles are equal, and those alternating angles are A1 being equal to C2. Alright, together. So now I know that okay, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. I can therefore conclude that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Why? Because the opposite sides of this particular quadrilateral are parallel and equal. So that's why I'm saying I have a parallelogram. I really hope that, guys, the video helped you out. Just stay tuned and wait for more videos.